Is your Lorex floodlight camera failing to connect to Wi-Fi, specifically the 2.4 GHz band, or having issues with AP mode? You're not alone. This section provides a focused approach to diagnosing and resolving these common connectivity problems. First, ensure your camera is within range of your router and that the signal strength is adequate, aiming for -50 dBm or better. Power cycle the camera by disconnecting it from power for 30 seconds, then reconnect. Confirm your router is broadcasting a 2.4 GHz network and disable any 5 GHz only modes. A frequent cause is interference, so move the camera away from other devices using the 2.4 GHz band, such as microwaves or Bluetooth devices. Also, ensure your router's firmware is up to date. If these steps don't work, proceed to the next section on AP mode. If your Lorex floodlight camera still won't connect, AP mode is your next step. AP mode allows you to connect directly to the camera's Wi-Fi hotspot, bypassing router issues for setup or diagnostics. To activate AP mode, press and hold the reset button on your camera for 10 seconds until the status light blinks. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone and open the Lorex app. Follow the app prompts to scan for and connect to the camera's Wi-Fi network. If successful, update the camera's firmware through the app. If you continue to have issues, check for ISP-related throttling, especially in rural areas, or try switching your router channel to avoid interference. Channels 1, 6, or 11 are typically best. As a last resort, contact Lorex support for personalized assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most common Wi-Fi connectivity issues with your Lorex floodlight camera.